Welcome back to another diecast showcase. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at this. This is a brand new Hot Wheels 5-pack for 2025. It is the Nightburnerz 5-pack. Here's that if you want it. This should hit in droves like every 5-pack to exist. And yeah, so the car that gets selected for the art is the Supra. This is a very loaded 5-pack, which is why I'm doing a video on it, because I just think it's really cool. So, I'm going to take a look at it, just open it, take a look at the cars. And yeah, here we go. So, first one, I'm going to start with the unlicensed model. This is the Diachi Voli. This debuted, I believe it was 2022, I believe, in the main line. It's gotten a bunch of releases since then. This is an unlicensed casting, but it's fairly realistic looking, and I think it looks pretty good. It's got the, well, there's nothing on the rear. It's just, I think that's part of the window piece. You have this kind of gold deco on the top, number 5, Diachi there. It's got the Italian, I think that's the Italian flag right there on the hood. Obviously inspired by kind of like a rally car. You have Diachi there on the side in the green, white, and red. More side graphics. I gotta say, also got the kind of some copper lace wheels there. Even though this is an unlicensed casting, it still looks pretty good. Like, I can't lie. This is nice. And like, if you're gonna do an unlicensed model, do something like this where it's like realistic and like it looks good. I think this looks really good. So I gotta say, I think it's a win. Maybe not to like most collectors. Most collectors I don't think care, but I think as of late I've kind of grown to appreciate the Hot Wheels original castings, some of the unlicensed stuff. All right, I'm gonna do this one on the top next. This is the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. This also debuted in 2022 in the main line. We have seen several versions of it since. There's the bottom there. It says LWC Racing. That is Leeway. He does graphics and stuff. I like the aero discs on it. They look really nice and white. I like the graphics. Got the 87, the Ford, orange striping with some silver striping, as silver lettering there with some other blue striping. Here's the top. You do get the top. Sometimes with 5-pack models, you may only get 2 tampo passes. It's very rare you see more than like 3. Actually, there was a Toyota Tacoma in that 5-pack. Like it was an off-road 5-pack. It had 4 tampo passes, and that really shocked me. Got a bit of some issues there on the top, but that's kind of par for the course for basics. The graphics are nice and crisp, but the trade-off is that they're not as precise as like the dot matrix style. They're like a physical tampo, and there sometimes can be issues, but overall, gotta say, I actually like this one too. I don't think I hate a single one of these models in this 5-pack. It's a good 5-pack, which is why I even decided to do a video on it. It looks good. This Cosworth is pretty cool. These are probably the more uninteresting ones. I believe the rest of these are all Japanese, so we're gonna do this one next. This is the Subaru WRX STI. I think it's the oldest casting of the bunch here. See, copyright date of 2011, so it probably came out around 2012. It is in a nice pink, kind of a metal flake pink. It's really nice. You do have the front with the headlights and the Subaru badge detailed. You have the side with some black decals and the circle, the roundel there in gray. Nothing on the back. And this one looks good. Love the blacked out, these Y5s? I don't remember what they call these wheels. They look good, though. This is another good release. I love the color. The color's nice. And, yeah, I mean, this casting's all right. It's got a lot of releases, and a lot of releases that I really do not care for all that much. But this version is pretty solid. All right, 2 more. Let's do this one. This is the Nissan Maxima drift car. This debuted in 2022. A lot of 2022 castings. 3 of the 5 of these were 2022 new models. And this is one that only has 2 tampo passes. It only has the side graphics. Has same wheels as the Subaru, I believe. No, this one's a different one. It's got a copper lip to it, which looks good. It is in a metal flake kind of gray color. I love this casting. You have the Japanese lettering there. That probably says Hot Wheels or something. I can't read that. Got Nissan there on the bottom with the teal and the white stripe and the Hot Wheels logo there. And this one looks good. I mean, this isn't a great casting. It's an awesome casting. You see the engine there in the through the hood, which is awesome. It's just an awesome casting and it looks good. Like the graphics, nice and just kind of more simple graphics. And yeah, next one, final one also. There's the front. Nothing printed there. I know on the first edition, I think they printed on the splitter there. But on this one, they did not. It got 2 Tampa passes. All right, last one. Does this one get 2? Okay, yeah, this one gets 3 passes. All right, this is the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. This debuted in 2021 in the main line. There's the PR5s on it with a silver lip, which looks pretty good. I'm a sucker for candy apple red. I'm going to be honest. I love candy apple red, and I love that this model is in candy apple red. It looks awesome. I love the color. GR Supra on the side with some black striping. Looks really good. Back is blank. You do have the front, though, so you get the Toyota logo and you get the headlights. Tan interior. Looks really good. This is probably my favorite of the set. It looks really nice. I like the execution. I love the color. And yeah, like I said, overall, this is a really banging 5-pack. This is a banger of a 5-pack. I think it's really good. I don't really think there's a weak link. I mean, maybe some people aren't keen on the unlicensed models, but I will say the execution on Diachi Voli is very nice. Sierra Cosworth was done nicely. Love the color on the WRX STI. And then like some really nice castings like the Maxima. Maxima looks really good. And the casting's awesome. I love the Supra. And yeah, what do you think of this 5-pack? I think it's great. I think Hot Wheels did a really good job on it. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.